Most UGC creators making over $1,000 a month are doing one thing: endless hours of outreach. You're hitting that mark, you're landing some clients, but you feel like you're running on a treadmill, unable to break through to that next level. The problem is all that time spent chasing clients takes away from where the real deals are made, and that takes away from the real work, which is your content performance. This leads to inconsistent brand deals, one-offs, and a total waste of your time. My name is John and I'm a growth operator for UGC communities. I work with top tier experts like Ash who consistently make over $15,000 a month through UGC. After she showed me how she lands deals consistently, I realized what I had to do instead. And in this video, I'm going to break down the 3 hidden blockers that keep most creators stuck and what Ash does differently to break through that income ceiling. The first reason you're stuck is you're spending all your time manually chasing brands. You're trapped in an endless cycle, hunt for clients, send out dozens of cold pitches, and get a few one-off deals that barely move the needle. Let's be real, many creators sink 20, even 40 hours a week just on outreach. That's a part-time job just to find work, not even to do the creative job you love. While you're hunting, you're not creating or improving your skill, and you're definitely not finding long-term partnerships that lead to a stable income. This grind is the biggest single time waster I have seen. If you're spending half your time just trying to find your next client, you're gutting your own income potential. The goal isn't to get more one-off gigs, it's to build a system that brings clients to you. The second blocker that's holding you back is you're not focusing on what really matters: results. You're treating UGC like a numbers game. The more videos you make, the more you'll earn. But that's a rookie mistake and it's costing you. Brands don't pay you to just make videos, they pay you for performance. The data shows that good UGC can create significantly more brand engagement, but that only happens if the content is actually good. Your hooks have to grab attention, your pacing needs to be sharp, and your story must connect. If your videos don't convert, brands will not come back for more. You'll be stuck on the low end pitching those $150 per video deals forever. The creators who scale to 5K, 10K, even 15K like Ash, they obsess over performance. They know one killer video is worth more than 10 mediocre videos, and they stop treating themselves as creators and start treating themselves as creative strategists for brands. Now for the third blocker, and this one might sting a little. You are being way too picky about the deals you take. You're holding out for that one perfect brand or turning down small deals like a 10 video package for 1K. Now, don't get it twisted. You should never undervalue your work, but skipping out on these small deals stops you from scaling. Most creators hit that initial 1 to 2K a month mark just by doing small one-off video gigs. But those who actually end up scaling have long-term brand relationships and have done bigger package deals. That $1,000 paycheck isn't just a one-time package, it's your foot in the door. It's your chance to blow them away, build real trust, and turn that client into a multi-thousand-dollar per month monthly retainer. While you're waiting for that perfect $500 single video, there's a UGC creator that's taking that $1,000 package and turning it into a $10,000 a year client. So let's recap. You're exhausted from chasing clients, you're making content without tracking what works, and you're turning down deals that could be the big difference between you scaling and you staying where you're at. Most creators think that the solution is just grind harder, and while that's good advice, that is going to lead to burnout eventually. Here's what I'd do instead. Limit your brand outreach to just 1 hour a day. That's a nice addition, but your time is better spent on content optimization and finding somebody who can actually supply you with consistent brand deals. This is what Ash and I do. We have multiple brands lined up that are ready to work with strategic creators who are looking to add an extra 2K in revenue to their UGC business. That means more money in your account, more time for your craft, and more fulfilling brand deals. Now for those creators who are making $1,000 a month who want to reach that 10K mark, you can think about it like this. Are you trying to stay with inconsistent booking, or are you trying to scale your business into a money-making machine? Ash and I are launching a high-ticket community to connect serious creators with these brands that are ready to give you their money for strategic creation. If you're ready to break through that income plateau, I'd recommend you book a call with my link in my description. This will help me understand if you're qualified enough to actually get put in a place where the brands come to you. Let's get you paid what you're actually worth.